Police sergeant shot and succumbed to his injuries in Portmore identified. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police sergeant who was shot dead in Gregory Park, Portmore, St. Catherine in the early hours of Sunday morning has been identified. He is 57-year-old Sergeant Averel McCollin of a St. Andrew South Police Division and is believed to have been stationed at the Hunts Bay Police Station. Sergeant McCollin was reportedly playing dominoes with friends at a premises in Gregory Park, Portmore, St. Catherine shortly after 1 a.m. when it is believed that about 6 gunmen entered the yard. Gunfire was opened upon the police, who ended up dying with his pistol clutched in his hand. It is unclear if he was able to return the fire before he was cut down. A probe is now underway into the killing of the police sergeant, with the Major Investigation Task Force, the MID, leading the way. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.